name is Mahdi Ndeb. I'm 24 years old, originally from Algeria. I've been living in Wrexham for 7 years. I've passed through the asylum seeking process, and I'm part of East Team as a volunteer. I'm looking forward to develop myself and to contribute even more to the youth sector.
Mahadeen is an asset to Wrexham. He really is. He represents communities that quite often we're finding don't have a voice. He conversates with everyone. He speaks in Arabic to some of the young people who predominantly are Arabic speakers. He knows about the struggle. He's got lived experiences he can call upon, the financial barriers to understanding about how to get about or services that are around and ways to develop when you have other barriers in your life as well. So his experience is really an asset to Wrexham in supporting more people with similar backgrounds in Wrexham.
I mainly do with translating for Arabic speakers, mainly parents of the clients we have here. I tend to translate personally to them. They are so delighted when they found someone who speaks their language and is welcoming, because if you don't understand the language, you don't understand the culture. When I was told that I'm nominated, then shortlisted, I felt my mind went blank for an instant. It gave me hope that when you work enough, when you do enough, it will pay off at the end.